And finally, Isuzu Philippines Corporation, or IPC, has recently turned over 15 units of Isuzu QKR PUVs to the Senate Employees Transport Service Cooperative, or SETSCO, which is the official transport cooperative of the Senate of the Philippines. These PUVs are mounted on an Isuzu QKR77 light-duty truck platform, which is assembled in Isuzu's factory in Binan, Laguna, with a body developed by one of the country's leading bodybuilders, Almazora Motors. IPC is determined to provide the Senate of the Philippines their modern PUVs, as SETSCO lead the PUV modernization program rolled out by the government.
We would like to thank the Senate Employees Transport Service Cooperative for trusting our company in providing their first fleet of the modern jeepneys, and we are confident that this unit will be able to provide you a more durable, comfortable, and safe transport solution to the riding public. The Isuzu QKR PUV is truly a vehicle of the Filipinos, made by the Filipinos, for the Filipinos. Gawan Filipino, para sa Filipino. Thank you very much.